Okay, this is the Canon 100mm f2.8L IS USM macro lens. Have been around since 2009 and honestly still one of the best macro lenses you can buy. Here is 5 reasons why. First, true 1:1 macro, meaning what you are photographing appears life-size on your sensor. You get every tiny detail, texture, color, sharpness, things your eyes can barely see. Second, hybrid image stabilization. Most IS systems only correct one type of movement. This one corrects two, angular and shift movement. Huge deal for handheld macro shooting, where even breathing throws off your focus. Third, it is not just a macro lens. The f2.8 aperture gives you gorgeous background blur for portraits too. Basically 2 lenses in one. Close-up specialist and a solid portrait lens. Fourth, L series build quality with weather sealing. This thing is built to last, dust and moisture resistant, feels solid, not like a cheap kit lens, but with an affordable price. And fifth, the USM autofocus is whisper quiet and fast. Great if you are shooting video or don't want to spook insects or subjects in the field. Older lens but genuinely still a top tier pick. Highly recommended.